What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna take out the AC condenser on this 2000 Trans Am LS1. Couldn't find a video on YouTube. That's where I learned how to do all this shit, but we'll have to wing it. Looks like I'm gonna have to lift the car up. Like every little thing you gotta do to this engine, you work from under it. There's no coolant in it or nothing. It was already all out. I had changed the evaporator and some hoses a couple of weeks ago, so there ain't shit in there. So before you take off the condenser, make sure there's no coolant or any AC coolant or anything in there. Freon, whatever you want to call it. But let's see how we do taking this off. So far, as you can notice, I took off the intake, took off the hoses, made it much easier, the battery, and it's really loose. And I think it's just that the other hose down there connecting to it that's holding it in. Hopefully just taking out the hose, we can just pull it out without unscrewing anything. See how this goes. Yep, that was it. So it's just the hose that connects to the bottom part. Take it off. You gotta manhandle it a little bit with a little shot it has, but it'll come out. Now it's out. To get the new condenser. So this is the condenser I got from Amazon. Compared it, it's a Spectra Premium. Got it for like 80 bucks. See how this goes. So before you install it, remember you gotta put some oil inside of it and just turn it around a little bit. Make it go all around. That way it has some refrigerant oil in it. So we're gonna do that now before we put it back in. So I was done a couple minutes ago, actually like fucking 30 minutes ago, sorry for the cussing, but I was looking for the orifice tube all over Google and everything. Couldn't find it. And then I look in the hose, it's in there. That is where a orifice tube is for a Pontiac Trans Am, I guess 98 to 2002. What a waste of time. Could have been done a long time ago. But let's put this back in. And that's it. Everything's back together. It's a little dark. Got dark quick. But now I just gotta go to my mechanic friend, get it recharged, and we should be good to go. Keep you updated on my AC.